Good morning. Our today topic is the scope or introduction to the machine design. Machine design is the innovation of new and effective machines and improving the existing ones. A new or effective machine is one which is more economical in the overall cost of production and operation. The design is to formulate a plan for the satisfaction of a human need. In designing a machine component, it is necessary to have a good knowledge of many subjects such as mathematics, engineering mechanics, strength of materials, theory of machines, workshop processes, and engineering drawing. So, before well understand the machine design subject, the students need to understand about the following subjects like as mathematics, engineering mathematics, engineering mechanics, strength of material, and theory of machine, workshop processes, and engineering drawing. All these subjects are very helpful to study the machine design subject and classification of machine design. The machine design may be classified as follows. The first is adaptive design. In this, the designer work is concerned with adaptation of existing designs. The designer only makes minor alteration or modification in the existing designs of the product. Next is the development design. This type of design needs scientific training and design ability in order to modify the existing designs into a new idea by adopting a new material or different methods of manufacture. And next is the type of machine design is new design. This type of design needs lot of research, technical ability and creative thinking. Only those designers who have personal qualities of a sufficiently high order can take up the work of a new design. Next is rational design. This type of design depends upon mathematical formulae of principle of mechanics. Empirical design. This type of design depends upon empirical formulae based on the practice and past experience. And industrial design. This type of design depends upon the production aspects to manufacture any machine component in the industry. Next is the optimum design. It is the best design for the given objective function under the specified constraints. It may be achieved by minimizing the undesirable effects. Next is the system design. It is the design of any complex mechanical system like a motor car. And element design. As we study in the mechanical engineering in BTech degree program, it is the design of any element of the mechanical system like piston, crankshaft, connecting rod, etc. And last or next type of machine design is the computer-aided design. This type of design depends upon the use of computer system to assist in the creation, modification, analysis and optimization of a design. General procedure in machine design. Now we will discuss about the procedure of designing any machine parts. In designing a machine components, there is no rigid rule. The problem may be attempted in several ways. However, the general procedure to solve a design problem is as follows. First is, as explained by the figure, come on top, need or aim, synthesis mechanism, analysis of forces, after that material selection, then design of elements, then modification, then detailed drawing and production. Now we will discuss in detail. First is need or aim. First of all, make a complete statement of the problem, including the need, aim, or purpose for which the machine is to be designed. Synthesis or mechanism. Select the possible mechanism or group of mechanisms which will give the desired motion. Analysis of forces. Find the forces acting on each member of the machine and the energy transmitted by each member. And next step is the material selection. Select the material best suited for each member of the machine. And next step is the design of elements, size and stresses. Find the size each member of machine by considering the force acting on the member and the permissible stresses for the material used. It should be kept in mind that each member should not deflect or deform than the permissible limit. Next is the modification. Modification is a term as the modify the size of member to agree with the past experience and judgment to facilitate manufacture. The modification may also be necessary by consideration of manufacturing to reduce overall cost. Detailed drawing. Draw the detailed drawing of each component and the assembly of the machine with complete specification for the manufacturing processes suggested. Production. The component as per the drawing is manufactured in the workshop. Now, the feasibility study. Feasibility studies address things like where and how the business will operate. They provide in-depth detail about the business to determine it if and how it can succeed and serve as a valuable tool for developing a winning business plan. Feasibility studies contain comprehensive, detailed information about your business structure, your products and services, the market logistics of how you will actually deliver a product or service, the resources you need to make the business run efficiently, as well as other information about the business. A feasibility study is an evaluation of a proposal designed to determine the difficulty in carrying out a designated task. Generally, a feasibility study precedes technical development and project implementation. In other words, a feasibility study is an evaluation or analysis of the potential impact of a proposed project. Thank you.